And now let's complete our revision. Now we are on page 71, governorate number 7. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. Number 1, 0 divided 7. So 0 divided 7 equal 0. So 0 here belongs to, not subset of the natural. Yes, it belongs to natural. Number 2, solve it alone. Okay, number 3, a parallelogram, the length of one of its bases. So the base here equal 9 and the corresponding height equal 8. To get the area, so the area of a parallelogram is base multiply height. So 9 by 8 equal, yes, 72 centimeter square. Question number 4, here 13 plus 4 equal 4 plus 13. So because it's equal, that this side equal to this side, so these two numbers equal to these two numbers. What, just to change the place of the number. So what is the name of this property? Called what? Yes, called commutative. Then question 6 and 7 solve alone. Number 9, the colored sector represent what of this circle? So this circle, if I divide it into parts, so it will be 4 parts. If I write it as a fraction, I know that the numerator is the number of the colored part and the denominator is the number of all parts. How many colored parts? Here 1, 2, 3. So will be 3 over how many all parts? 4. So will be 3 over 4. Excellent. Question number 10. In the rhombus, the two diagonals are, yes, perpendicular. Question number 11, solve alone. Then turn the page. Question 13, solve alone. And here also on the question number 2, we solve it before 2 and 3. So starting question number 5. 64 plus 36 plus what equal 64 plus what plus 35. Here because it's equal, so this side equal to this side. So these three numbers equal to these three numbers. So here I have 64 repeated. So here 36 plus what equal to which number plus 35. So just I put this number on this side here. So here will be 36 and 35 I will put it there. Okay, just to change the place of the number. Then question number 6, x equal, here x2, x belong to natural, that if I want to read this value of the x, how I read it? I will read it from the middle. Here from the middle, x, the opening here on the x, if I move left first, I move left. So x is what? Greater than or equal 3 or less than or equal 5. So let's solve it here. So here I have x. I said for you I will read it from the middle. So here x is what? Greater than or equal 3. So here, because here I have equal, so I will start with 3. And what? Less than, here also from the middle, less than or equal 5. So also I will take 5 with me. Why, teacher, I take 3 and 5? Because here I have equal. So between 3 and 5 I have 4. So the value of x here is what? 3 and 4 and 5. So here 3, 4 and 5. Then question number 7. Here 45 multiply 98 equal 45 multiply 100 minus what? So here, as I said, because here I have equal, so these two sides equal to this side equal to this side. So here I have 45 like 45. So 98 equal 100 minus what? Which number or 100 minus what give me 98? Yes, 2. And then here question number 3, number 1. Use the properties of addition in natural to find the sum of what? So here underline first all the unit here. So which two numbers that its unit, if I make plus between them, give me number its unit 0. 2 and 9 or 2 and 8 or 2 and 1? Yes, 2 and 8. So the first step, I will put it beside each other just to change the place of the numbers. And this property called what? If I change the place of the numbers here, yes, it's called commutative. Excellent. The next step, just I put it between brackets. Yes, I just put it between brackets and it's called what? Yes, associative. The third step, I get the answer here and the answer there and then make plus between them. So 32 plus 18 give me what? Yes, 50. 50 plus 1000 equal what? 1050. And then solve question number 3 alone. Let's go to governorate number 8. Governorate number 8, question number 1. 49 divided 7. 49 divided 7 equal 7. So 7 here belongs to subset, not belongs to not subset of the natural. Here, teacher, yes, it belongs to. Why? Because it's element. Because it's what? Element. Question number 3, the area of a rhombus whose diagonals length 12 and 16. So here I have two diagonals and I want to get the area of it. What is the rule to get the area? Yes, area equal what? Half multiply diagonal 1 multiply diagonal 2. Okay, so solve it alone by using your calculator. Number 7, solve it alone because it's not a new idea for you. Number 8, the square whose diagonal length is 8. Its area equal what? What is the area of the square? So the area equal half multiply diagonal multiply itself. So half multiply 8 multiply 8. By using your calculator will be, yes, 32. Question 9, we solved it before. And also question number 10. And then here on question number 2, here the smallest natural number is, yes, 0. Okay, so all of this question it's repeated. Okay, so just I will solve question number 7 because it's a new idea for you. The set here x2, x belongs to natural. How I read it? This one, from the middle, x here, to the left. So x is what? Greater than or equal. Why, teacher, you read it as greater than? Because it's less than. If I read it from this part to the left, so it will be less than. But here, if I read it from the middle, so the opening to x is greater than, because I read it from the middle. So x is greater than or equal 3. So because here I have equal, so I will take 3 with me. So here x is greater than or equal 3, so I take 3 with me. And what? And less than 5. Less than 5. Here I take 5 with me. No, why, teacher? Because he didn't write or equal. So just will be 3 and 4 only. Okay, girls? Here, question number 2. Find the perimeter of the opposite figure. Here I have this figure. I want to calculate its perimeter. Here, how I get the perimeter? I said before, the perimeter is what? Is the sum of outer lengths. So here I have this side here 10 and this side 10 and this side I didn't show because it's curved. So what I will do, I want to get it. How I get it? Here this part represent what? Yes, it represents half of the circle. So I will get first the circumference of all circle, then the circumference of half of it. So the circumference of the circle will be here. This diameter is 7, so 22 over 7 multiply 7 equal 22 centimeter. Then the circumference of semicircle equal what? 22 divided 2, because I want to get the half of it. So 22 divided 2 equal 11 centimeters. So this part equal 11. So this curved part 11, or this curved side 11, and this 10 and this 10. To get the perimeter will be what? Yes, I will make plus between them. So 10 plus 10 plus 11. The answer will be 31 centimeter. And then question number 3, solve it alone. Now we finish governorate number 8.